Hey guys, welcome to this explainer on installing and using FireSend codes for your Firestick. Let's dive in.
Today's agenda, what FireSend actually is, a quick installation guide, and the absolute best codes right now.
So FireSend replaces Downloader. You just plug in specific room codes to unlock massive updated app libraries.
Quick heads up, these host unverified apps, so definitely use a VPN like Surfshark to protect your data.
Okay, step 1. Open up that FireSend app and click right on Rooms/Share. Super easy.
Moving to step 2, just go ahead and tap the Join Room button on your screen. Step 3, type in a FireSend code and hit Next. We're using the code Joseph here. Step 4, you're in the library. Now just pick whichever app you want to start downloading. Step 5, as soon as that download completely wraps up, just click Install.
Step 6, and you're done. Installation is complete, so go ahead and launch your new app.
Now check this out. These are the top tested FireSend codes right now for movies, sports, and more. If a code ever glitches out on you, try these quick fixes like clearing your app cache.